River, apparently they're letting a lot of water out, so the American River is really full. And this creek over here, I can't remember what this creek is called up here. It's like Silver Creek or something like that, but runs right behind my work. And let's see if I can catch it here. It's flowing. There we go. Yeah, it's like really full and flowing really good as well. Wow, that thing normally has hardly any water in it at all. That is wild. This thing is really flooded down there. Man, look at all that water. Wow, it's almost to the top. It's like a big river. Usually has hardly anything in it. I like driving around, checking out all the creeks and rivers when you're getting a lot of rain. It's pretty cool. It's fun. All right, here we come up on the American River again. It's been about an hour. Let's see if it's gone up any. I know I read something. Oh man, it's like really full. I read something that they're letting a lot of water out of Folsom Dam and Nimbus Dam, and it sure looks like it. Yeah, just thank the Lord for all the rain, all the precipitation this year. I think we're at like probably 150% of average for this time of the year. Lots of rain. Sacramento River is almost full to the top of the banks. That's wild. Alright, checking out the Yolo Causeway here. I'd say there's a little bit of water out there right now. Yeah, just driving over the water. Look at that. Yikes! Look at that Steelhead Creek, man. That thing is giant.